Alright, so in this video I'm going to be looking at drawing page 3, part number 13. Just like the previous parts, I'm going to start by drawing out my shape. So in this view, my front view is missing. I would have 4 additional lines in here. This line coming across, representing this edge. This line coming across, representing this angle. This line coming across, representing that angle, and then another line in the bottom representing this edge. Got my student title block opened up. I'm going to start with my line tool. Again, creating that L shape. Offset. All my shapes are the same size, so my width here is 5. The height of my front view is 2.5. So I offset 2.5. Again, I want to leave space in between my views, so I'm going to offset 1 inch. And then the size of my top view and right side view is 1.5 inches. Create this line in the top right corner. I'm going to click Trim and select everything. And then I'll come through here and trim out these remaining lines. Delete these 2 lines. Alright, so there's the boxes for my top, front, and right side view. Let's start by identifying this first initial line that goes down 1/4 of an inch. Alright, so I'm going to offset 0.25. This goes up and this goes up. Right, and so then I have a line, I look at my blueprint here, a line that comes down from this point, it comes down 30 degrees. So I'm going to do a line from here. This is where I'm going to have to do the we'll say 2, less than, right? If I take, here's my calculator, we know that this is 30, or 360 minus 30. 360 minus 30. So we should have a line that goes 330. There's 30 degrees that way. I have another line that goes up this way, so I'll do my 2 less than. This one is going just my 30 degrees. Alright, so there's my 2 angles. The distance from this edge to the end of that line is 3/4. I'm going to offset 3/4 or 0.75. So from this line over, I'm also going to do it on top. Of this line, I'm going to switch to a hidden line. Alright, so that's my top line there. In my right side view, I'm going to trim out. And then I can simply delete these other lines. Right, so there's my right side view. I do need to take this point and copy it across. And there is my part. Now it's just a matter of entering in those numbers. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dimensions, not including my angles. So I'll switch to my dimension layer, click on linear. Again, if we just hit enter, it'll repeat our previous command. All right, last one is then to enter, actually I missed one dimension. I need my overall height, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last one then is to enter those angles. So I'm going to go to an angular dimension. They have it as 30. And there is my part. Drawing page 3, part number 13. Thank you.